Hello students, today we will continue chapter 2 working with Windows 7. In our previous class we have discussed few features and how we can use desktop and its part. Today we will start with Windows Explorer. So what is Windows Explorer? Windows Explorer is a program that helps in viewing and organizing files and folder on a computer. विंडोज़ एक्सप्लोरर एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम है जो हमें हेल्प करता है व्यू करने में और ऑर्गेनाइज करने में वेरियस फाइल्स और फोल्डर को एक कंप्यूटर में. To open Windows Explorer, first we need to click on Start button and here you will find in the right pane Computer. Click on Computer and Windows Explorer window will appear which has two panes. This is left pane, this is right pane. As soon as you click on any drives, these are drives local disk C, D and E, and when you click on that you will find various folders in that. So this contains folders and disk, and this side you can find or click on any disk and you will find various folders and you can click on whichever you want. These are files which are in a particular folders. These are folders and in this we have various files. To view content of a file or folder, you just need to double click on the file or folder you want. Here I am clicking on this folder and there are various files. These are videos. As soon as I double click on these these will open and start playing. To copy a file or folder, first we need to go to computer, my computer or this PC, and we gonna select any of the folder. कोई सा भी folder हम select करेंगे, then we will move forward. We can copy a folder or file as well. So first I will show you how you can copy a folder. Just right click on that folder and you can select from the options copy and you can paste it here or you can paste on any other folder. Here I am pasting so that you can see both of these. Just again right click on the blank space and click on paste option. So you can see the same folder is copied, right? And you can also copy same image. आप same image कोई सी भी image copy कर सकते हैं. You just need to click right on that particular image or file, copy it and paste it. You can paste it here or you can paste it in the other folder or any other place on the computer. Next thing we will do is we will move this file or folder to other. So for same we just click right and we will get an option cut. हमको एक कट ऑप्शन मिलेगा, हमने उसे कट किया and we will move to next folder. Here I am going to videos and then I am just right clicking again and click on paste option. So you can see the image that we have moved is here now, and you can also move the folder like this. Next you can delete it as well if you don't want it or you have already have many images or files, similar files, so you can also delete it. For deleting the file you just need to click right and you will get various options. Out of these you need to click on delete. Click on delete and it will directly go to the recycle bin. Here you can see I am just showing you recycle bin and you can see it is here. So first we have copied this image, pasted it and moved it, and later on we deleted it. So we can also restore it. Why we restore? When there is a need or when we delete it by mistake, then we can use it. जब हम गलती से इसे delete कर दिया या फिर किसी और से delete हो गया, तो हम वापस से recycle bin से उसी जगह पर वो सेम इमेज, वो फाइल या फोल्डर वापस ला सकते हैं. उसके लिए we need to click right, and here you will get few options, only 4 options are there. You can click on restore and you can see that picture, that image is vanished, and where it is on the same folder from where you have deleted it. See, it is back here. So this is how you can copy, move, delete or restore any file or folder. But if you have deleted from the recycle bin, अगर आपने recycle bin से delete कर दिया है, then you cannot restore it. अगर आपने recycle bin से भी उसे delete कर दिया है तो आप उसे वापस नहीं ला सकते.